you doing? No can have you no fear. Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
Loken, what's wrong? I feel there's something wet upon your hair. Loken, you're hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Mr. Ada. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live, Loken, dear God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
Can't hurt me. One word away was past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear, and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you were. I've come home from so far.
Goodbye, dear Loken. You won't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And
I
you
will
keep
stay
me
with you
safe,
till you are
and you will keep me
sleeping.
close, and rain
And rain
will make the flowers
will make the flowers grow.